We are underneath a 2011 Chevy Impala doing an oil change. You're gonna need a 15 millimeter for the oil drain. There we go. We'll let this start draining a little. And I'll show you the filter. You're gonna want 4 quarts of 5W30 in this sucker. Oil filter is right here, straight up. And I'm gonna use these little jaws to turn that oil filter. There we go, we got her started. She's loose. And we need to roll this back because we are leaking oil out of that oil filter. There we go, now we're catching it. All right, I got the oil cap off on the engine and the dipstick pulled. Just gonna help it drain a little faster. I'll get the part number for the oil filter. This is a Napa Pro Select filter. It's a 21522. Get this oil filter off. The hands are gonna get covered in oil. There we go. What do they got on here? A Mighty Guard MX159. Looks like this hasn't had an oil change in a long time. The way it's almost drained, it's low. Like maybe only had like 2 quarts in it. We're gonna clean off the mating surface of the gasket for the oil filter. Wipe that off. Get any dirt or debris away from there. There we go. We'll put just a little bit of oil coated on that O-ring of the new oil filter. And turn that sucker on there. Now it should spin on freely all the way till it bottoms out to that gasket. Don't cross thread these. Bottomed out, now we're gonna give it a good half turn or so. Hard to get your hands up underneath there to get a good grip on it. There we go, that's pretty tight. And bada boom, eh? All right, 4 quarts of 5W30. We'll do it. We'll put our oil drain plug back in, 15 millimeter. I believe that's about 32 foot-pounds of torque on these oil plugs. 28 to 32. Sounds about right. Here we go. She was definitely low on oil, no doubt. Now we'll start bringing the car down. Show you where the fill is. Grab our oil. Pop the hood. Right here's our dipstick. Right here's our oil cap. We'll put 4 quarts right in there. Call it a day.